Okay, students, let us see what is the syllabus for remaining syllabus for BOH. We had covered Unit 3, except Mendel's laws of inheritance. So Mendel had given three laws: law of dominance, law of segregation of characters, and law of independent assortment. Law of dominance was that there are two alternative forms of an allele. One is dominant and other is recessive. When both are present, dominant gene expresses itself, means recessive character is not expressed. So this condition when both forms of alleles are present, it is called heterozygous condition, and when it is only one, then it is homozygous. Homozygous may be of two types: uh, dominant homozygous or recessive homozygous. Now, this was law of independence. For example, tall character is dominant over uh, small height of the pea plant. So the second law is law of segregation of character, which means at the time of formation of gametes, the characters are segregated into the gametes. Means it is not there that two correct uh, two alleles of a characters, once they come together, they will not they will remain together during gamete formation. They segregate, means separate, become apart during the formation of gamete. For example, if the genotype of a plant is capital T small t, then it will produce two type of gametes, capital T and small t. So this during gamete formation, characters or these genes have segregated into the gametes. Third was, and due to this segregation only, we get different kind of ratios in the progeny. And the normal ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1 in monohybrid cross. Genotypic ratio, it is 3 is to 1 phenotypically. In dihybrid cross, it is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Next is third law was law of independent assortment. Means uh, when you are studying more than one character, that is two character, then they will assort independently. They will behave like a single. Uh, they will behave similarly as when they are present alone. That is, as a single gene will behave, two also will behave in the same manner. So if you are uh, studying like seed coat color and seed shape, one is round seed and yellow seed coat color. Another is green seed coat color and uh, wrinkled appearance. So one can be uh, written with R. R means round. Round is dominant over wrinkled appearance, and uh, yellow is dominant over green color of the seed. So, so when capital R is present with capital Y or small r is present with small I, they will not interfere in the character of in the phenotype or expression of another gene. So all the genes assort independently. This was law of independent assortment. Although later it was not found to be true, there were some exceptions. Exceptions arise due to the linkage. Now let us see what is the uh, next chapter. And the next chapter was plant physiology. In physiology, we have already seen structure and function of cell membrane, absorption of water and mineral, macro and micronutrients. This was left. Ascent of sap. This was also left. Photosynthesis was done. Respiration was done, and fermentation was done, and plant growth is left. So now first we will study absorption of minerals.